Our question says a triangle has an area of 900 meters squared. If a parallelogram has the same base and height as the triangle, what is the area of the parallelogram? So I'm going to start by going through and just identifying all the important information. So I have a triangle. It has an area of 900 meters squared. And then we have a parallelogram that has the same base and height, and we want to know what its area is. Okay, so I'm going to draw a picture to start. So I'm going to draw a triangle and then a parallelogram, and they need to have the same base and height. So maybe I will draw two shapes with the same base and the same height. And then this one is just a triangle, and this one is a parallelogram. Okay, so I know that for both of them, the base is the same and the height is the same. So I know this one has an area of 900 meters squared. And then this one, I would like to know what the area is. I just don't know yet. So I'm going to start by looking at the formula sheet. Now these are two-dimensional shapes, so we're going to use the front side of the sheet. For a triangle, the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. And then the area of a parallelogram is just base times height. So here, this is base times height divided by 2. And this one here is just base times height. So you will notice these are very similar formulas. They both have base times height. The only difference is this one here has been divided by 2 and this one here has not. So when I'm trying to solve, you can try to puzzle it out. You could pick a number and let the base be, say, 10, and then solve for height, and then use the base and the height to calculate on this side. You're allowed to do that. Just pick one dimension, solve for the other dimension, and then use those dimensions to calculate your area. But because these formulas are so very similar, if this is 900, what would I have divided by 2 to get 900? That's the question I'm going to ask myself. So I think that 900 is 1,800 divided by 2. How did I get 1,800? Well, the opposite of dividing by 2 is multiplying by 2, so 900 times 2 is 1,800. So 1,800 divided by 2 is 900, which means base times height would be 1,800. So the area here was really just 900 times 2, which was 1,800 meters squared. So the area is 1,800 meters squared.